The importance of a strong business requirement or a BRD cannot be overstated while implementing an ERP. Today, we want to share a real-life story that highlights why a comprehensive BRD is critical and how it can turn a challenging project into a success. Meet a mid-sized manufacturing company who underestimated the importance of a BRD while implementing the ERP. The result? The new system struggled big time with day-to-day operations. Key processes like inventory management and production scheduling were left unsupported, leading to delays, inefficiencies, and frustration across the teams. Realizing their mistake, the company decided to revisit their approach. This time, they focused on creating a comprehensive BRD. They brought together stakeholders from every department: finance, operations, procurement, and IT. Each team contributed insights into their processes and requirements. The resulting BRD, the process document, was detailed and precise. It outlined every aspect of their workflows, from inventory tracking to production scheduling, and most importantly, real-time reporting. Armed with this robust document, the company re-implemented their ERP system with a clear vision. The difference was as stark as night and day. The ERP system now aligned perfectly with what the company needed, streamlining operations and eliminating bottlenecks. Productivity improved, the team felt empowered by tools that truly supported their work. So, what can we learn from this? When approaching an ERP project, there are 3 key takeaways. First, involve the right people. Your BRD should capture input from every department affected by the ERP system. Second, be thorough. Document every process, no matter how small it may seem. And third, stay aligned with goals. Ensure that your BRD not only addresses current needs but also supports your long-term objectives. Whether you are implementing an ERP for the first time or revisiting one that didn't deliver, remember this: a comprehensive BRD is the foundation of your success. Take the time to do it right, and the results will speak for themselves. As ERP implementation experts, we specialize in creating tailored BRDs that set your ERP project up for success. Contact us today to find out more about our process.